Hi, my name is Oki Erlivan. I'm the first alumni of SBM ITB, class of 2007, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of EduLab Indonesia as well as TripLogic Indonesia. Why I choose SBM? Actually, it was not really prepared because at that time I didn't know about SBM ITB. My vision was I'm going to industrial engineering on ITB. And then I thought that ITB has a new program called SBM, Sekolah Bisnis Manajemen, and I think that is really something that is really interesting. At that time, 2004, where it was only like a decade of the Reformation era, and I know something will be very interesting in the future. Business is growing, so I thought why not? I joined the SBM ITB because it's not just about entrepreneurship, but it's also about technopreneurship. Joining SBM ITB, there are so many benefits that I could get after I graduated. It's not just about the knowledge that I get, but also about the network. And so I think SBM ITB has given you so many experiences and also networking, and there are many things that you can get. At that time, business was people who's choosing doing business after you graduate is not really popular. So I think that's really it's quite a punchline for the first graduate from SBM ITB. So I think that was really a very advantage of us because when we talk to our supervisor, we talk to our top executive, and they talk about management, and you can show how good you are, or you can show that you know the management skill from what you get from SBM ITB. So I think that's really impactful. When I first started EduLab, it was in the early of 2007, around January 2007, and that time I was still in SBM ITB, having my last year in ITB. At that time, I spoke to my lecturer, such as Dwi Larso at that time, and also spoke to many other lecturers, and they give me so many inputs about doing the business. So EduLab was actually born when I was in SBM ITB, and up until today, fortunately, we are quite fortunate enough because now it has been almost 13 years, and we've been into 35 cities all over Indonesia, and we are one of the top examination preparation courses in Indonesia. My message for every one of you who are watching this, we are very proud to be one of the best MBA or one of the best business school in Indonesia. It's not just about what you will get, what you will learn, but the network you will get. We can say that it will boost up your confidence, it will boost up your knowledge, it will boost up your networking, it will boost up your skills and everything. So I think SBM ITB it's not just top school in Indonesia, but also it will give you a greater impact for your future. For the greater goods.
Going to SBM ITB is so beneficial for me. It helped me a lot in my career after I graduate because we have a lot of access to facilities and informations that gave us a bunch of opportunities for our careers and also a bunch of skills that we need to be a very competitive talent in the workforce.